Hello, nice to see you again. Where am I? What is this place? Do you know? What is it? Where am I? We need to find out. Can you smell that? Can you smell that? There's something smelly. Oh, look, it's so smelly, I can't breathe. Where does this smell come from? Where does it come from? I don't know. Look! A pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. Oh, they're so smelly. A pair of smelly shoes. It's a hat. It's a smelly hat. Oh, look, it's a jacket. It's a smelly jacket. Oh, look, it's a scarf. It's a smelly scarf. Uh-oh. Oh no. These are socks. These are very smelly socks. Look. Ta-da! I think we are saved. We are saved! Hurrah! It's a washing machine! It's a washing machine! Let's do the laundry together. Let's do the laundry together. But I need some help. Duduś, Duduś, where are you, Duduś? Oh, hello, I'm coming, Bob, I'm coming. Bob and Duduś are going to do the laundry, but they forgot about one important thing. What's this? Yes, that's right. This is it. But what is it? Is it sugar? No. Is it flour? No. Then what is it? What? Yes, I think you're right. It's yes, it's washing powder. It's the washing powder. We need this to do the laundry. We need it to do the laundry. Hello, it's me, David. It's time to open the washing machine. Duduś, will you help me? Yes, of course. I will help you. Oh, look. Oh, it's empty. Yes, it's empty. Now we need to put all the dirty clothes into the washing machine. Let's put them inside, okay? Smelly hat. Smelly scarf. Oh. Smelly jacket. Smelly shoes? I'm not sure about shoes, but I'm sure about one smelly thing. Very smelly socks. Ugh. Let's put them inside. Now it's time for the washing powder. It's time for the washing powder. Let's add some washing powder. Washing powder. There it is. Washing powder. Hi, Bob. Hi, David. Bob, have you seen Duduś? Duduś? No, I haven't seen Duduś. Have you seen David? I don't think so. Oh no! Wait a minute. I think I know where he is. Uh-oh. Oh no! He's in the washing machine. Oh no! Let's open it quickly. It's not too late. I'll save you, Duduś. Oof! Duduś is saved. Thanks to Bob. Good job, Bob. Okay, now we are ready to turn on the washing machine. Here we go. Let's do it. Oh, I think it's working. Great! Ta-da! Everything is clean. Ah! Clean socks. Clean scarf. Clean hat. Clean jacket. And clean shoes. But I used my hands to make them clean. Okay, since everything is clean, it's time to go. Bye bye!